when we first moved into our house, we got a new mattress. This figured it's a good thing to have, help with night's sleep. It's now 7 years later. This mattress is supposed to have 6.5 years later. This mattress is supposed to have a 10-year warranty, and you can probably tell that it's got a big divot in it. Right there. It's a pretty good size. That happened to be my side of the bed, unfortunately. Unfortunately, according to the mattress company, this mattress is too hideously stained to be covered under warranty. You can see that it's got a little bit of discoloration up by where our head and shoulders go. And check this out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The mattress cover leaked and one of the dogs got the mattress muddy and it made a little stain. So, according to Simmons, this mattress has been abused and no longer covered. So, thanks Simmons Beautyrest. There we go. Beautyrest Classic. I forget what their website slogan is, but it's something about great night sleeps and we care about people and blah blah blah. But we won't cover our mattresses under warranty. So anyways, we got a new mattress and now it's time to do an autopsy to see what is wrong with this mattress and possibly kick my dog out. Are you really going to be this annoying the whole time? Yes? Okay.
Sure. I wasn't sure how,
Yeah.
I don't know what the proper
Yeah, I'm not...
method. Oh.
I've never done this before either, dear. This is my first time. Yeah.
Alright, are you recording still?
Yeah.
Oh, you never stopped. Okay, good. Well.
Alright, so your top layer.
What's Daddy doing?
Thought the scissors might go better. The knife is more dramatic, but the scissors actually work a lot better. Alright.
Okay, it's already dead. No problem.
Pairs of springs. Oh yeah, you can see this is all torn on this side. See these guys? Springs poking out. They're supposed to be all nicely encapsulated, but if you sit on the side of the bed, it tears their little encapsulations. So I bet in here there's a bunch that's fallen over, but let's do another cut.
How did it just all of a sudden? It's been happening over time.
I believe it's from doing other things besides sleeping.
Tell that to my mother.
We do have a cute 8-month-old. You should show him to the camera to have proof.
I could say something else. Oh my god.
We did have to practice too.
Oh my god.
Make sure we got a cute baby. What else would it be? I mean, it could be.
Oh my god.
It could be from sitting.
You were aggressively sleeping, apparently.
Apparently. My ass is just too big. And see, this is all pulled back here, so that's no good.
Oh, this is interesting. Oops, sorry, honey.
Alright, we're getting to the. Oh, look at that! Even left one layer of foam there, so I'll cut that layer, and we'll do
Ooh, even more dramatic.
do a big reveal.
Oh wow.
All right. Yeah, so this layer of foam getting pushed down in between.
And then it's got like,
And the pit. Yep, that's what I thought. See, a bunch of these encapsulated springs have fallen over, mangled. I don't even know what this one was supposed to look like. I guess that is fallen over. Tangled in with the other one. So yeah, these guys are all bent. So if you put any sort of, you stand on this type of mattress, you risk bending the springs over to the side. So yeah, So that's the failure. These springs just fell over in here, well away from where the stain is. So, yeah. And even these ones further down here, they're all bent over. Let's cut one of these open.
Well, yeah, the bottom of the bed all leans a certain direction.
Yeah. Because the springs.
Oh yeah, you can see how they're.
Yeah. That's that one. Let's see. What is going on with this? Oh yeah, so that spring got bent over and tangled in with the other ones. So I could stuff that back in over there. And that would probably be better, but now we made big holes in it. This other top one is also tangled in over with its neighbor.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So that's tangled in with its neighbor. So that's no fucking good. No good. Look, in this spring, that's not right.
Whoa.
Maybe that was okay. But anyways, it shouldn't fall out. So yeah.
Yeah, don't get that kind, huh?
So yeah, these encapsulated spring mattresses, the springs, they're not actually encapsulated. There's a slot in between the two, and they're just kind of vaguely separated. So if any of that separation fails and the tops get stuck together, and then you end up with a big hole because they're not separated anymore. So yeah, this guy will go back in. If anybody wants a whole bunch of mattress springs. There we go, that one's in. Yeah. So, don't buy a mattress from Simmons, a encapsulated coil. It's comfortable at first, but they don't last. And if you get any sort of stains on it, they won't cover it under warranty. So, yeah. And don't sit on the edge of it, because the edges break off. So yeah, just gingerly lay down on it and don't move. That's how you keep it in good shape. Yeah. So yeah, that's what the inside of a Simmons Beautyrest mattress looks like. See? Look at how cute he is.
Cute. You're so cute. You're looking so serious.